In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate creating a profile and setting up PayPal on DoorDash. Whether you're new to the app or just looking for a refresher, I've got you covered. So, grab your device and let's dive in. First, let's open up your preferred web browser and head over to the DoorDash homepage. If you're not sure of the URL, just type DoorDash into your search bar and select the official site. Once you're there, you should see several menu options at the top of the page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if needed. Now direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see an icon that looks like a little silhouette or outline of a person. This represents your account. Go ahead and click on that icon. It's your gateway to everything related to your account settings on DoorDash. Once you've clicked that icon, a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you're going to look for an option that simply says Account. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your DoorDash account. Now that you're on the account page, your next step is creating a profile if you haven't already. Look for the option that says Create Profile. Clicking on this will guide you through setting up your profile. It's typically straightforward, asking for basic details such as your name and email address. Following the prompts, make sure you enter all necessary information correctly. This will make your DoorDash experience much more seamless. After setting up your profile, let's move on to connecting your PayPal account, which is an excellent way to manage payments quickly and securely. To begin this process, look for the section dedicated to payment methods. Within this section, you should see an option labeled PayPal. Click on PayPal. Clicking on PayPal should prompt a new window or tab to open, guiding you through the secure process of linking PayPal to your DoorDash account. Follow the instructions provided by PayPal to enter your credentials. This typically includes your email and password for your PayPal account. If you need to, verify your account as instructed by PayPal. Once complete, your PayPal account should be linked, providing a convenient option for handling payments on DoorDash. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully navigated to your DoorDash account and linked your PayPal account. Feel free to explore other settings and options on your account page. Remember, whether you're managing your profile or payment methods, DoorDash makes it user-friendly. Thanks for tuning in and have a great time using DoorDash.